let me show you the timer, stopwatch and alarm system on the new Galaxy Watch 8. So first things first, on this watch we also get the new Google Gemini, so we can simply ask this watch to perform any of these simple actions by simply saying, "Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes." And you see it has set a timer. So the timer is running. Also we have obviously these double pinch features. If you actually wear the watch and do the double pinch, essentially you can pause and resume the timer as well. And also basically once the timer is off, basically ended, you can also shake around basically. So wear the watch and simply shake your arm to dismiss the timer as well. So let's explore it the regular way. So if I swipe up, as you see, I can get my alarms here. Maybe let's start with the timers first. Let's find where we have them. Okay, timers here. So you see, once you actually launch this, you can either select from these recent ones that you have launched or select from one of the presets. So for example, let's launch this one and you see how it looks like. So you can pause, also zoom it, or also end. Also on this watch we are able to run multiple timers as well. So for example, let's run one for 2 minutes, and if I want to set another timer basically, so okay, simply swipe like this and either select timer on manually. So let's select something. So and you see we actually have now 2 timers running in the background on this watch. So yeah, also you see we have this dynamic island, so the no bar, where we can also see the remaining time of the timer and also quickly tap on it to return to the timer as well if needed. So let's remove this. As you see, once it's off, also the dynamic thing also disappears. Also, as you see in these date fields, we can also quickly launch timer if you simply click these date fields. So let me show you how it's set up. So click customize and these complications. So maybe let's set this one and simply let's search for a timer. Again, this also works for the alarms, I think, and also the okay, so you see alarm, stopwatch, timer, so we can set any of these. Okay, maybe let's set a stopwatch, okay, this time. Okay, then you see, let's check out our stopwatch. So I see if I click this, I can basically go to my stopwatch quickly. Let's click start. So you see, also again, I can use a double pinch if I wear the watch, and also I can do my laps here as well. Also stop, reset or resume. So this is what it looks like. And also you see as you exit also in these like date fields also you will see the timer, stopwatch running, and in the dynamic island as well if you have it. And then also finally let's check out alarms. So actually I haven't actually explored this, so we can set the time for alarm, also repeat, date, time, sound, snooze even, and click save. So you can obviously add more timers here, alarms. So let's see we have 2 alarms, and then we can quickly dismiss this as well if needed. And yeah, so and once the alarm basically is up, it obviously will ring every day until you disable that. And also let's check out if that assistant can also maybe start a stopwatch. Hey Google, start a stopwatch.
I'm sorry, I cannot start a stopwatch directly. However, I can open the stopwatch view.
Okay, so hey Google, open stopwatch. Okay, so it appears we can only open, we can't ask it to start a stopwatch directly, so that's a bit weird. Also, maybe let's test alarms. Hey Google, open up alarms.
There are no alarms set.
Okay, so that's actually quite confusing. So maybe let's set alarms then. So why wouldn't it actually bring us to the alarms? Hey Google, open up alarms.
I have opened your alarms. You have an alarm set for 6 a.m. on July 19th, 2025.
So yeah, a bit better. So again, as you see, for example, for the timer works great, for stopwatch also half decently, for alarms, yeah, so anyway, good luck.